have to do this. You don't have to do is perfect drawing. You can just draw the bottles or the borders right here however you like it. All right, I need to see closer because it shows shiny right here. Make sure you put the top coat on and no wipe top coat if you have still have a tacky on the layer. Make sure you remove them first before you apply the chamfer foil gels, because you don't want all the tacky layer. All right, so you don't have to make it like perfect. All right, let's cure this one for 30 seconds. This is, I just apply on is premium IHO chamfer foil. Hey Fancy, how are you? You are very welcome, another badass. Chantella, I'm using Kira Sky. The Kira Sky has got a good one. The Kira Sky Beyond, or you can use, I know how there's a lot of others that's good out there in a different brand, like CND had a good one too. And if you get the new purchase, the new lamp, you should get the UV one. The UV one is key faster for you. All right, so I have a little foil that I always using. So I am gonna just apply somehow it gets thick on my nails. And it's only stick to wherever I apply the foil. It looks so cool though. And it's not sticky on here because I put the top coat on. Make sure you put the top coat on first before you put the so should I put some crystals on this one, or should I just like leave it alone? If you're perfect, if you do a crystal right now, just a little crystals right along with that. I'm gonna put some crystal on to bling that nails. And it's this color, the black, the red colors, it depends on what colors on the red you put on. It might be brighter red, it might be brighter effects if you're doing a brighter red, but if you're doing the deeper ones, it's gonna give you a little bit deeper red look. So I'm gonna using a condensed glue gels. It's really thick density. It's perfect for crystal placements from a flat back 3D charm chains. And I am going to apply it. Oh, condensed. Chantella, if you like to get the more products, it's one of really a great, awesome investment that you should pick it before it's sold out again. Is anniversary kits for the value over $350. You get it for $150, and you have the tools come with this too, so it's amazing value. Just get it before it's all gone. And I am going to apply the no wipe top coat. So the no wipe top coat and unclear condensed glue gel, which is condensed glue gel. I have it right on the nails, not curing anything yet. It will help grab the base of crystals, charm chains, my beads, anything, you name it, stay in one place. All right, so my crystal pickers. I am going to pick one of the crystal shape from our anniversary kit. I'm going to show you anniversary kits in a minute. Why does this look like a cherry filling for a cheesecakes. This one, you think? It feels good, huh? Thanks, Life Ross. Pretty girl, Haley. Do you want to put a shoes on that nails? Shoe on that nail. Look at that. All right, so let me put one of the shape. Let's get my a little bit tacky layer, and I have my really dramatics. Ooh, I like that. Okay, black, red, and on the top of red. How about that? I don't know if you can see it. Hope you can see it. This is so cool though. Okay, I'm gonna try to play with this. Can I get some charm and chains frame over there? Thank you. Yeah, but Caleb, hey, yes, we're definitely gonna check that. Thank you for letting us know. I'm so in love with this frame. I need to get another tray because this tray has full with the stuff. Do you ever get overwhelming with a lot of stuff you work with? Me. It's so much fun, but also it's a lot of cute stuff. There you go. This one, don't worry, because I'm gonna clean that off with my alcohol later because my wax residues. They're so stunning. Let's see what we got in here. Cute little frame there. Little cute beads and frames. It's making it stand out really nice. You know, it's just really great to, I have to say, to challenge yourself. When sometimes you think like, oh, I don't like that, just don't give up. Try something and add it on. And don't you think it's just crystals just make things like so much different? Like from a background, I can't just doing a simple nails anymore. Sometimes for the clients who request like simple, but we're getting I have 2 of this. Hold on. There you go. Ooh, I feel like I'm so quiet though. I'm just hunting right now. I wish you all can talk with me. eat fruit and veggies.
Yeah, Debbie lost. Wait.
Hey, Jennifer. Hey, sweetie, how are you? All right, I think I got the right one. So glad you're tuning in, Jennifer. Beautiful girl. You know, you're glad that we did the class in New York before it's happened. It's just like, we're thinking of New York and pray we can't wait to come back to New York again. We just like did the class right before things happened. So just we miss people and like our friends in New York. We're definitely gonna be back. All right, everyone. I guess the background doesn't matter to me anymore. No, I'm gonna cover it. I just wanna show.
Yes.
I'm show everyone how you're using your blossom gel, just in case you don't
I
need.
don't like the. I don't like this.
Haha. I don't care. I just show everyone how the look of the blossom
Some
gel.
of it don't cover all the flowers.
Too late. Just kidding. Okay, we have that one. All right, you know what? But I really like that the deep of look on the red flowers, and the frames just make it really. It looks like so classy. All right, you happy? If you're not happy, I'm gonna cover everything up. Just kidding. I'm just kidding now before I covers everything. So just an idea for all of you if you want. But you know what? It still look good though. It still have really like a deep down there with the flower and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna key it because otherwise I'm messing around. And then I'm gonna key this one. And then you guys don't see any flowers at all. And then we'll have to redo it over and over. Yes, money back. Oh, Shantella, here you go, sweetie. We know that thing is sold out really fast as tomorrow's the last day. Take advantage for that because we've been like shipping out so many different kits. I'm not gonna lie to you. And every time we have a special kit, it's gonna be a special price. It's not gonna last long as it's really special. Like each of these compartments is the full size of a crystal jars there. So it's 20 pieces of crystal jars right there. 20 different compartments, and 2 of the last one is the special mix for glow in the dark right here, and this one is special mix mega mix. It has so many different colors and sizes on this one, so it's really stunning. It have neon, it have all different. It's the best selling shapes you know, throughout the past, you know, like years, trendy and everything. Is our screen frozen? Hey, Jennifer. Screen frozen is so frozen. Oh, another badass sweeties is gonna be on our website. Is Glitz accessory and such .com, and you will get your most of the product is 25% off because this kit is really super special for all of you because of every single of you, your love and support. That's why, you know, we wouldn't be here without you, so that's why it's special for you. And most of the product is 25% off, and you get this kit. It's really special. It's exceptional. This kit is not on sale for that, but it's sale during this time for that price is $350. You will get yours for price for only $149, and you also get your precision glue, which is I am going to use. Condensed glue gel is 5G, and also your pickers and your trays and scoop. So I am going to using one of Crystal best friend. Oh, I feel so good. I don't know how you feel. You're gonna tell me how you feel when you're using it, because it's not like it feel really like I feel scratchy right here. I'm gonna feel it in each time you're using it. Just use just a little bit. You don't like squeeze just a little bit. I'm showing you, but I'm not gonna using it. I am checking it first before I even squeeze anything out.